अरे भाई कौन हिला रहा है यार इतना।
अरे देवीदा सपना किराक नाचता रे, माझा कॉल करते का?
खुर्ची ना आता आता बस अरे बरं दोन रिपोर्ट राहिला
बरोबर एक शॉर्ट मध्ये चुकलो म्हाका. बरोबर एक शॉर्ट चुकलो रे. भाभी हांव पात्र तो शॉर्ट घेवपाक लागून रेकॉर्ड करून नासलो तो पाठ करून नासलो न्हू. भाभी येयली मरे भाभी कितें मरे असो तोंडाक हात घालीत असो मोगान असो चुकलो. मेळ्ळा काय तो खबर ना म्हाका. सपना नाचता कित्याक रे
गाडी कुठे जाता
बरोबर शॉर्ट ब्लॉक केला.
अगर सगळे यार प्लेट लोग हाँ अरे तो ऐसे डर के थोड़ी कैमरा लेके बन गया ये हमारी गाड़ी में। सब अपने अपने को कर रहे हैं, तुम अपना साथ दो बस। गुड्डी और ना मुन्नी कोई ना साथ ना दो। तुम रुक जाओ फिर रुको हम करेंगे, तुम लोग चुप रहो। हमको सब कुछ पता है, हम कुछ नहीं तुमसे बोल रहे, हमको सब कुछ पता है। ठीक है।
आदरणीय मुखेलमंत्री, आदरणीय हेर मंत्रीगण, सगळे आदरणीय सोयरे, आमंत्रित दिग्गज आणि सगळे सत्तरी आणि उसगांव वासी, परतून एक फावट तुमका सगळ्यांक मना काळजात हावन येवकार। ये दौड़ती भागती जिंदगी उन पड़ाव पर है ठहरती जहां से जीने की राह मिले या कुछ सीखने की चाह मिले. आणि या समयात हांव स्वता खूब भाग्यवान समजता. म्हज्या जिवितात हो खीण येवप हे खऱ्यांनीच म्हजें भाग्य. गोंयच्या सोबीत सुंदर भुंयेचेर गोंयच्या मानेस्त आनी गुणेस्त लोकां मदीं इतल्या व्हडल्या जनसमुदाया सामकार हांव सिद्धी उपाध्ये तुमचें स्वागत करपाक हाजीर आसा. हांव काळजायच्या खोलासान उपकारी की येद्या म्हत्वाचे ज्येष्ठ आनी श्रेष्ठ अशें व्यक्तिमत्व गोंयचे 6 फावट मुख्यमंत्री म्हणून जापसालदारकी सांबाळिल्ले श्री प्रतापसिंग रावजी राणे हांचे 85वे जन्मदिसाचे निमित्त साधून आयचो हो कार्यक्रम आयोजीत जाता. परत एकदा हांगा जमिल्ल्या सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करता आणि तुमच्या सगळ्यांचे अभिनंदन करता. आमच्या भारत देशात खंयचेय पर्व आसूं, शुभ कार्य आसूं वा खंयचीय कार्यावळ आसूं ताजो शुभारंभ संगीतानूच जाता. देवळांत भितर सरतना लेगीत घांट वाजोवनूच आमी भितर सरतात. शाळेत अभ्यास सुरू जावचे पयलीं प्रार्थना म्हणटात. इतलेंच न्हय तर युद्ध सुरू जावचे पयलीं लेगीत शंख गर्जना जाताच. तर आमी बी ह्याच परंपरेक धरून या सुंदर कार्यक्रमाची सुरवात मधुर आणि पवित्र सुरांनी करूया. चला तर स्वागत करूया अशा एका स्वर रागिणीचे जाचो आवाज एके वटेन मनाक थाकाय दिता तर दुसरे वटेन आयकुप्याच्या मना काळजात एक ऊर्जा भरता. भक्ती आणि संगीत हांचे एक आगळे मिश्रण घेऊन येता भारतातली एक सुप्रसिद्ध गायिका हर्षदीप कौर. जोरदार ताळ्यांनी स्वागत करूया.
Delayed independence brought not just liberation, but trials and tribulations. Needed in those times was not only a hand that could heal, but a mind that would lead, that could shape the destiny of this land.
Yeah, he was, you can say, a perfect statesman.
A man from Sattari emerged to take charge. And from the ruins of struggle, he built Goa from the ground up.
गोवा में 50 साल कोई चुन के नहीं आया, हमारे राणे साहब ने.
He really gave a direction to the state.
This is the story of the maker of modern Goa. The man who was determined to turn Goa's fortunes around by connecting it to itself, by lighting up households, by protecting its uniqueness, by turning it into one of the most desirable destinations of the world.
He doesn't like to glorify himself. Whatever he has done it. And that's it.
You become very committed to the cause of the people, and I'm very proud to be the son of this Pratap Singh.
This is the story of Pratap Singh Rane. Born in 1939 to Manorama Bai and Rauji Satroji Rane, Pratap Singh was the 5th of the couple's 8 children. After his graduation, the boy from Sattari took off for the United States for a degree and a bright future. But the strong pull of his homeland was enough for Pratap Singh to leave behind the bright prospects in the foreign land. At the age of 26, he returned to India and started working at Telco in Jamshedpur.
You know, he's had a very interesting life. He was trained for management, person trained in America to come back to Goa of the 1960s because mentally he was prepared for a corporate.
It was then that Pratap Singh lost his younger brother Uday Singh. A few years later, his father, a grief-stricken Rauji, would also pass away.
I don't think life has been very easy for him. It's been very hard, and overall, this is a tough.
However, to shoulder these responsibilities, he now had the company of his life partner, Vijay Devi Rane.
Touchwood, my in-laws, they make such a lovely couple. They're just one of a kind and so dignified and so humble at the same time.
The then Chief Minister of Goa, D.B. Bandodkar, was on the lookout for young educated men to join his party. This man was none other than Pratap Singh himself.
Before him, there was nobody in the political field in his family, but he just came to Goa and he just took over the political field like as if it was just meant to be for him, and it was meant to be.
He started his political career by running for elections in Sattari. Sattari's blessings for its son meant a grand political debut for Pratap Singh Rane, who won Sattari by a huge margin, the first of 11 times.
His bond with the people of Sattari is something which is inseparable, and I don't think one can even explain it, because it is a bond that lives on, and that is a legacy that will always people will remember.
Doors of our house have always been open to each and everybody. He has some exceptional qualities of integrity, dedication, commitment, discipline, a great sense of duty too.
In 1977, another chapter was to unfold.
He contested on a Congress ticket. Congress romped home with success. It was the first Congress government in the state of Goa, ending about 17-year rule of the MGP, which is a regional political party.
In 1980, Rane became the Chief Minister of Goa for the first time. He would go on to become Chief Minister of Goa 6 more times, becoming Goa's longest-serving CM for 17.5 years. A believer in planned development, he got down to work without wasting any time.
So this is how I think he thought about Goa as a holistic approach, an educational hub. He thought about job creation through industrialization. When he became Chief Minister, he wanted to give free electricity to every house. 2 bulbs, and a scheme was initiated where every house should be covered, where electricity should be given, and that was a scheme which was very successful in those days.
A network of all-weather roads connecting towns and villages across Goa was built.
Transportation was very important, so he wanted to actually initiate state-owned bus service. That time we had to have the bus lobby in those days, but he overcome all those obstacles. Started the Kadamba Transport Corporation, which today is of great benefit from then on till today.
He saw that whatever he felt the people were lacking, he could complete it and deliver it to the people.
हमारे लोगों को सर्विस दिया, हमारे एरिया में फैक्ट्री लाया, एसीजल लाया, गाल कंपनी लाया.
In 2006, the Goa Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme provided for guaranteed employment for the rural poor in the state.
He got the Goa Right to Information Act in '97. This shows that Mr. Rane really believed in transparent administration.
Widow pension scheme also was the first to start. Mediclaim for the state of Goa was actually started by him because he felt that there should be some sort of insurance system.
A man of the forests, Pratap Singh made every effort to ensure the state's greenery remained unharmed. Goa, Daman and Diu Preservation of Trees Act was passed in 1984 to preserve the precious biodiversity of the region. The Anjanem Dam also came up to harness the Valvanti river waters for irrigation and water supply to North Goa. Economic growth and job creation was emphasized by setting up large-scale industrial units, including the iconic Automobile Corporation of Goa Limited in 1980, a facility that continues to produce thousands of buses each year.
Institutional approach that he had led him to bring in the state many educational institutions. He got the Goa University established in the state.
Government colleges of arts, science and commerce were opened in different parts of Goa, while the Goa Medical College was upgraded. The Fatorda Sports Stadium was completed in 1989 and opened to the public.
He had started the Kala Academy also in Goa. There are so many talented people in Sattari, other rural area. They were not, उनको नहीं मिला था इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, तो उसके लिए उन्होंने जो कला अकेडमी बनाया उसका बहुत उपयोग हो गया.
इधर रविंद्र भवन बनाया सागली में. वो रविंद्र भवन का फायदा बिचौलियम के लोगों को होता है, सांगली के लोगों को होता है, सत्तरी के लोगों को होता है, वालपई के लोगों को होता है.
There were several challenges that came across. Language agitation was something which was where people wanted to fight for their language issues. People had sentimental and emotional attachment. Then ultimately we got a document where we had the opposition come on board, and that we ultimately declared Konkani as the official language of the state, and that's how we moved forward.
Perhaps one of Pratap Singh Rane's most remarkable decisions, whose impact would change Goa forever, was his insistence to hold the Commonwealth of Government meeting of 1983 in Goa. The development work done for the event improved Goa's profile as a tourist destination. On May 30th, 1987, Pratap Singh Rane, serving as the Chief Minister, played a key role in securing statehood for Goa, making it India's 25th state.
He sort of led the transition from a Chief Minister of a union territory to the Chief Minister of the state of Goa.
I can say he was a statesman. He never harmed anybody or never interfered with anybody.
Acts that he passed is like a manual for the future governments to come.
His leadership just grew taller and taller and taller. 50 years as an MLA and nearly 20 years as Chief Minister and about 10 years as opposition leader, speaker. I mean, he has really given his best to the state.
Such has been the blemishless career of Pratap Singh Rane in Indian politics, in which he has worked with 5 prime ministers, that today he commands respect across party lines and shares a warm relationship with Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
My daughter's first love is her father. Her first and forever hero is her father. And my Baba is my hero.
For me, he's been always my icon and my leader. And his relation with Modi ji also is quite, they had a great interaction with each other.
Sharing his adulation for the statesman, the Prime Minister tweeted, "Congratulations to Shri Pratap Singh Rane ji on this momentous feat of completing 50 years as MLA. His passion for public service and Goa's progress is reflected in his work. I remember our interactions when we both served as Chief Minister of our respective states. The story of Goa has many glorious chapters to follow. And thanks to what he has achieved in his 50-year-long association with this state, all the stories will bear the imprint of Pratap Singh Rane, the maker of modern Goa.
Can we all give him a standing ovation for everything he has done to Goa and Goikars? Honorable Shri Pratap Singh Rawji Rane. जनतेचो असो हो उपाट मोग, हो विश्वास, हो आदर, हो मान, हो सम्मान खऱ्यांनीच दुर्मिळ आणि खाशेलो. Big surprise! हमारी कंट्री में. तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं एक भजन से, और मेरी गुजारिश है आप सब भी मेरे साथ दें और राम जी को याद करते हैं.
और वीडियो कर रहा हूँ
गोयच्या संस्कृततेची, अस्मितायेची, समृद्धीचे, उदरगतीचे प्रतीक म्हळ्यार हे समय. एक एक वात पेटयतना देवा कडेन मागया की गोंयचो गौरव, गोंयचें नांव, गोंयची शान, गोंयचें येस चिरायू जावं. गोंयांत शांतिकाय, समजिकाय आनी एकचार पातळ सगळी कडेन मोग आसूं.
ग्राउंडार भूमिके देवीक नमन करून आयच्या ह्या सुंदरशा कार्यक्रमाक उपस्थित आमचे मदीं मुद्दम वेळ काढून आयिल्ले हे पुस्तक जेचे बद्दल हांव मातशें 1-2 मिनटां उलयतलो, पूण आमचे मदीं आयज गोंय राज्याचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतजी, आमचे मदीं आयज उपस्थित माझे वडील गोंय राज्याचे माजी मुख्यमंत्री श्री प्रताप सिंग राणे, आमचे मदीं उपस्थित माझी आई विजया देवी राणे, आमचे लाडके आमचे सत्रीन जे सदा तांकां तेंको दिल्लो आसा आमचे बाब श्री श्रीपाद नायकजी, आमचे मदीं मुद्दम ह्या कार्यक्रमाक हांव खूब दीस पयलीं तांकां परिस्थिती खूब पळयली, सत्तरीचे जनतेन जाय ते वाटचाल दाखयले, 50 वर्सांचो इतिहास घडयलो, देशाचे प्रधानमंत्रीन बी सांगले की प्रताप सिंग राणे हो सादारण राजकारणी मनीस न्हू, पूण तेका लोक मानतात आनी गोंय राज्यान जे तेणी काम केल्लें आसा म्हणून तेका लोकांनी इतले वर्सां निवडून हाडले. राजकारण ही सादी गोश्ट न्हू, 50 वर्सांचो इतिहास आनी आमी ल्हानपणाच्यान आमच्या राजकारणाचो प्रवास जेन्नाच्यान चालू जालो तेन्नाच्यान आमी एकूच पळयताले की सत्तरीचो विकास आनी साहेबा माध्यमांतल्यान म्हाज्या वडिलांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हो विकास हो कसो आमी पळयला. सत्तरीची जनता यांचे मनान वेगळे विचार असता. एकदा त्यांनी ठामपणे मनान विचार केले, तेच विचार घेऊन ते इतले वर्सां फुडें व्हरपाचो प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. त्याच बरोबर हांव चड वेळ न घेता हांव इतलेच सांगूंक सोदता सगळ्यांक की आमी सगळ्यांची नांवां घेवन पावले ना. हे सत्तरीची जनता ह्या प्रवासान आमचो व्हडलो परिवार आसा आहे आनी हेच जावन हांव मागीर राजिनामो दिवन हांवें भारतीय जनता पार्टीन प्रवेश केल्लो आसा आनी तेन्नाच्यान ते सांगता आनी वडील म्हाजे सांगता त्याच दिशेन आमी वचपाचो आमी प्रयत्न केल्लो आसा. त्या दिशा जेन्ना म्हाजी चालू जाली तेन्ना बाब सदानंद तनावडे आनी आमचे एकदम बरे संबंद आनी आमकां जाय तें मार्गदर्शन करून फुडें व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आमकां केल्लो आसा. आनी आयज म्हाजी आई संदी गावली, तिची इच्छा आशिल्ली की आपल्याक प्रताप सिंग राणे बद्दल कितें तरी आपल्याक बरोवंक जाय. सत्तरीची जनता नवी पिढीक खबर आसूंक जाय, गोंयची जनतेक खबर आसूंक जाय की आपूण कितें प्रताप सिंग राणेचो कितें कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन गोंयच्या इतिहासान आसा. आयज आमचे मदीं हांगा बाब यतीशाक बी तेणी बरे पैकी उलोवपाचो तेणी प्रयत्न करून जाय ते समप केल्ले आसा. बाय सागरिका मॅडम, सागरिका बी आमचे मदीं आसा जेंकां हांव आभार व्यक्त करता. आनी त्याच बरोबर हांव एक सांगूंक सोदता की सत्तरीची जनता हे जनता केन्ना उलयना, पूण ह्या जनतेक एक भावना आहा आनी ही भावना जोडलेली आहा साहेबा कडेन आनी आयज पर्यंत ते साहेबाक मानता आनी त्याच माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां बी खंय तरी तेजो आमचो लोकांचो आमकां पाठबळ गावता. हांव चड वेळ न घेता स्वागत करपाक म्हणून म्हाका उबें केल्लें हांगा. हांव मुद्दम फिल्म चालू आसतना भायर गेलो कित्याक कांय गोश्टी भावना ह्या तरेची आसता की व्यक्त आमी करूं शकना. जिवनान केन्ना केन्ना एक संदी जी येता ती संदी एकदांच येता आनी त्या संदीचो म्हाज्या आईक दिसलें की आयज ते 85 वर्साचे जे आयज तेंचे जेन्ना वाडदीस आसा तेन्ना आपूण कितें तरी उलोवंक सोदता आनी आपूण ह्या पुस्तकाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आपल्या सत्तरीचे जनता आनी गोंयचे जनतेक कितें सांगूंक सोदता. आनी खंय तरी आमकां बरें दिसता की इतले व्हडले संख्येन हो व्हडलो कार्यक्रम आमी जो आयोजीत केल्लो आसा आयज तुमी सगळ्यांनी म्हाका साथ दिलो, सगळ्यांनी आमकां तेंको दिलो, सगळ्यांनी सहकार्य केलें. जेन्ना जेन्ना उलो मारता सत्तरीचे जनतेक व्हडले संख्येन आयज आमकां तुमी पावतात. हांव हात जोडून तुमचे सगळ्यांचे आभार व्यक्त करता कारण म्हाजे कडेन शब्द ना तुमकां व्यक्त करपाक. हांव मुद्दम तुमकां सांगूंक सोदता जेन्ना हो कार्यक्रम सुरवात जालो तेन्ना प्रधानमंत्रीच्या ऑफिसांतल्यान म्हाका फोन आयलो की इतलो व्हडलो कार्यक्रम गोंयांत जाता हे आपूण आश्चर्यचकित आहा. प्रधानमंत्रीक 2 मिनटान आपूण फोटो दाखयतलो आनी ताका सांगतलो की कारण तेंचेच परवानगी घेवन आमी आयज पुस्तक आमी हेजे आयज आमी रिलीज करता. हांव आयज आमचे देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजीक आभार व्यक्त करता कारण त्यांनी सदां आमकां सहकार्य केल्लें आसा आनी तुमकां
तुम्ही आमचे बरे मागपी जे आयले, माझे वांगडी आमदार जे आयले हांगा, तुमकां खरेंच हात जोडून तुमकां खंय तरी म्हाज्या जिवनान खंय तरी कितें चुकलाय चुकयत हांव माफी मागता. कारण आमकां जे वाटचालचेर आमकां वचपाक जाय, आमकां खंयच चुका करून उपयोग ना. बरेपणान आमकां राजकारण फुडें वचूंक जाय. राजकारणांतले आमकां एक वेगळे तरेची नीती घेवन आमकां फुडें वचूंक जाय. आमकां बरेपण हें सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय आनी बऱ्या रितीन कित्याक जीवन कोण म्हणूं शकना आयज जीवन हा फाल्यां आमी नासतले, ह्या तरेची परिस्थिती आयज निर्माण जाल्ली आसा. म्हणून हांव चड वेळ न घेता तुमी सगळे हांगा आयले आनी हे शब्दाक मान दिवन आमच्या परिवाराक इतले बरें दिसला. कारण म्हाजे वडील आमदार नासतना गोंय राज्याचे माजी मुख्यमंत्री असले तरी बी आयज तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी हांगा येवन शोभा वाडयली. म्हणून हात जोडून हांव तुमचे आभार व्यक्त करता आनी तुमी हांगा मुद्दम आयले आनी तुमचे सगळ्यांचे हांव स्वागत करता आनी विनंती करता की म्हाज्या आईन फुडले म्हाका दिसता तिचे आमची सिद्धी आतां सांगतली. पूण कितें इमोशनल गोश्टी केन्ना आमी उलयता केन्ना मातशें वाटचाल आमची चुकता. स्वागत करपाक उठला आनी भाशणूच दिलें हांवें. पूण मेन म्हणजे हांव वेगळ्या तरेन तुमचें स्वागत करपाचो म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसलो. इतलें सांगून म्हजे 2 शब्द हांगा पूर्ण करता आनी तुमी आयले बद्दल हात जोडून तुमचे सगळ्यांचे आभार व्यक्त करता. देव बरें करूं.
Greatest dancers of all the time, Honorable MP of Mathura, the Padma Shri Hema Malini ji. जोरदार तालियों. मैं और एक बार मंच पर बुलाना चाहूंगी हर्षदीप कौर जी को. Welcome one more time. And can we have the cake on stage, please? And 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. सगळ्यांनी साथ दिया. Happy birthday to Rane sir. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, we pray. May God bless you, we pray. Happy birthday to Rane sir. Happy birthday to you. Let's get our hands together, everybody, and wish sir a very happy birthday. जमिल्ल्या समेस्तांच्या वतीन श्री राणे बाबाक वाडदिसाची हुनहुनी तशी परबी उदंड आयुष्य आणि बरे आरोग्य या समयात देवी भूमिका तसेच सगळ्या देवाला मागता आकर्षक अशी रोषणाई तुम्ही पाहू शकता. आताच मुलबाग हे सोडल्या आणि आनंद सगळ्यांचा अशा रीतीने व्यक्त झाला. सगळ्यांनी बसका घ्या. आज पुरा गोंय आज पुराय गोंय
सगळे मंत्रीगण, माझी पत्नी आणि माझी सून दिव्या, विश्वजीत आणि विश्वधारा चली आणि हांगा जमिल्ले सगळे माझे गोंयकार भाव आणि भयणां खूब खोशी जाता. तुम्ही म्हाका खूब प्रेम दिलें आणि अशीच म्हाका संद दिली की तुमचे फुड्यान हांगा अनेक वर्सां म्हाका कार्य करून गावले आणि गोंयच्या विकासाक हातभार लावन गावले. मी तुमकां सगळ्यांक धन्यवाद दिता आणि गोंयची प्रगती आतांचे मुख्यमंत्री आणि फुडें जातले ते मुख्यमंत्री तांकां सगळ्यांक शुभेच्छा दिवन सगळ्या मंत्रिमंडळाक आणि गोंयच्या सगळ्या लोकांक शुभेच्छा दिवन ह्या गोंयची प्रगती अख्ख्या जगान फुडें सोनी जसो एक भारताचो हिरो चमकतो हिरो अशें हें गोंय फुडें वचोनी हे ईश्वर चरणी प्रार्थना करून हे 2 शब्द पुरे करता. देव करा.
चड आमी चड देव बरें करूं आदरणीय श्री प्रताप सिंग राणेजी. तुमच्या खातीर हांव आफोणे दिता नीता वाजपेयी हांकां. मैं मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी नीता वाजपेयी जी को, क्योंकि इस मंच पर आप कुछ ऐसा देखोगे, कुछ ऐसा यहाँ पर होने वाला है जो इस शाम को वाकई में अविस्मरणीय बना देगा. और इस अद्भुत नाट्य के बारे में हमें विस्तार से बताएंगी मैडम नीता.
चल फटाफट आउट कर, पोडियम आउट.